His eyes were dancing and so affectionate. His eyes were so much full of love and affection, such tender glances, such soft glances, that these glances went deep into their heart and also deeply touched their heart. Because we can speak without saying anything. The eyes say everything. The eyes tell more than the mouth can speak. The eyes tell more than the mouth can speak. So this is a fact with Krishna, is anuraga smita. He's simply smiling. His smile, Krishna, is called anuraga smita. Smita means hasya, or smile, laughter. And it's anurag. Anurag means continuous rag, affection which is increasing and being presented in newer and newer ways at every moment. Anurag. His attachment. And all that is expressed just in his smile. Krishna just smiles at the gopis and they feel all these waves of affection. They wash over the face of Krishna, and they wash into their eye. It floods into their eyes and then touches their heart.